This is a story about the journey of a Maharistian Mumbai girl to West Java, Indonesia. This journey was inspired by Ibn Battuta, a 13th century explorer who traveled across the medieval world, including Southeast Asia. The Mumbai girl, Vanita Iyer, is a very intricate artist who produces world-class mural pieces of artworks. The reason why she chose to travel to Karang Aji Beach Villa is because of the array of arts in the museum-like beach villa and the incredible limestone cliffs and caves, waterfalls, and pristine beach. After admiring the array of art in the beach villa, Miss Iyer decided to do a little R&R to the limestone cave located west of the villa after exploring numerous waterfalls to the east of the villa last week.
Namaste, Wanita. Welcome to Indonesia.
Thank you so much.
Must be a long flight from Mumbai. Yeah.
Not that bad after reaching here.
Yeah. And so what do you think about West Java? Particular.
Shimaja.
Shimaja, yeah.
Where we are right now. View, Villa, and the forest behind.
So, what do you think about the villa? You were saying it's like an art museum.
Oh,
How
yes.
is that?
Of course, it's an art museum, especially for artists.
Yeah.
Beautiful villa to come to. You could spend around like 4 to 5 hours walking around, and maybe you still won't be done looking at every detail and every single thing that you've done here.
Oh, that much, huh? 4 hours.
Oh yeah, yeah.
What did you
I
see?
fell in love
What did
with
you
it.
see in that 4 hours?
Oh, it's so antique and so unique, and everything is so detailed. Every wall, every door, every pillar that you see is so detailed. And art inspired from all over the world, like Mexico, and then religions like Buddhism and Hinduism, many Hindu temples, Rajasthan inspired, India inspired, Myanmar inspired, Nepal inspired,
Yeah.
pretty much from everywhere.
And I understand you're a kid traveler. You've been traveling to what? 30 over countries?
20 countries.
20 countries, yeah. There'll be like Kyrgyzstan and
Uzbekistan and
Uzbekistan. Yeah.
Azerbaijan, Maldives, Hong Kong, Macau,
Okay.
and the list goes on.
Did you see the blend of all those countries, the arts of those countries in
Here,
the villa?
completely, yeah, for sure. Yeah, I could associate every pillar and every wall with some country or the other. Yeah, paintings are really nice.
So not only the art, we're gonna show you the wonderful West Java.
Sure.
Today we're gonna go Tawarna. Because last week we went to Selain already. You'll see a different thing. Are you ready?
Yes, let's
go.
go.
have so many waterfalls, caves, beaches, tree house,
Everything
and the
is so
city.
close from here.
And going home soon, huh?
Yeah. But I'm sure I'll be back.
We hope you'll be back soon. Thank you for everything.
Thank you also for everything. It was great meeting you guys. And to have this wonderful trip here around Karachi Beach Villa.
Yeah. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.
छड्डियां डोरियां मैंने तो तेरे तेरे उत्ते